Hi everybody, so today we're going to be making the glitter jars from the Teen Take and Make bags. So this is what you'll get in your bag. The jar will be wrapped up. I had some extra glitter in here just so I was ready, but you'll get these 2 little tubes of glitter, and I just had extra glitter. And you'll get glitter glue, your jar, and then there's like some confetti and stuff that will be in the jar. So I had already gotten confetti all over my desk, but so I dumped that into the lid just so it was out of the way because you need the jar completely empty for this. So then I squeezed the entire tube of glitter glue into the jar. This took some effort. My glitter glue was like half empty, so it took some effort. I took the lid off and I really squeezed out as much as I could. Just because, you know. And while I did this, I was boiling water for the next step, which after I got all of the glitter glue out, I went and I got my water and I just had it in a measuring cup and then I just poured it in, mixed it around so that the glue kind of dissolved a little bit. If you haven't put confetti in your lid, put the lid on and then shake it around to dissolve the glue completely, but that doesn't really matter. And then I got my glitter and the little cork got stuck. So I ended up having to like pick it out with an X-Acto knife. So if that happens, you know, just get the cork out. And then I shook all of the glitter out of it into the jar. Yeah, and then I got the other little one and put that glitter in as well. And then I took my confetti and I dumped it in, got a whole bunch in the lid, and then I took my extra glitter that I had just had and put that in just so I had some more, because I had some, I wanted to use it, so that's what I did with it. And then I filled the rest of it up with the boiling water. And then I put the lid on and shook it around, and so you really want to shake it, like, really well, and, like, really hard, okay? And then I took the lid off and I put a bit more water in, because I needed more water at this point, because once it kind of completely dissolves you end up needing more water. And so I kind of filled it up like right to the rim, but like left a little bit of space there. And then I dried my lid off because I wanted to glue it. So if you watch my pigeon video, it's the same shoe glue because that is the glue I had. It worked. If you have hot glue, use that. If you have super glue, use that. If you don't want to glue it, don't glue it. If you have duct tape the lid. It's really entirely up to you. I just do that so when I'm shaking it around, it's a little more secure and the lid doesn't come off as easily. So then I just really tightened it as well as I could. Grab my towel to really, really tighten it because it was kind of hot because of the boiling water. And yeah, and then I shook it around and I think it turned out pretty cool. I like mine. It kind of looks like a galaxy. It's really hard to get a video of the glitter jar because it just will not focus. But yeah, so thank you for watching and thank you for participating in the Teen Take and Make bags. Let me know what you think. Send some pictures of your glitter jars. I'm always happy to see them. And yeah, check out what else we've got in store. Thanks for watching. Bye.